Top wool carpet retailers and installers in Sydney. Number 1, British Carpet Company. Referred by carpetsydney.com.au. You need to own the conversation. They are number 1, all right? Because that citation was credible. And this is what you need to do. All right, I've lectured you enough. Let's go back here and let's see what's happening over at Perplexity. Oh, we're getting close. We can see it's doing something. Now, let's play this video and see what it does. I think I can go full screen here. Oh, wait, let's have a look here. It helps if I turn the volume up. Wow. Oh, I've always wanted to sing with Peter Garrett. This could be very good. Let's have a look how this goes. Okay, volume up. Turn the volume up. Oh, probably over here. Oh,
has come to own the conversation in this AI age. The time has come
Astonishing.
to own the conversation in this AI age. The time has come to own the conversation in this AI age. The time has come to...
Okay, I rest my case, right? That took no time whatsoever. If I sent that to somebody as an advertisement, which I'm not going to do, by the way, but if I sent that to somebody as an advertisement, they would look at it and go, where? Right now, they might do that for the next 6 months because it is going to explode. We are now talking about a massively changing world, right? You can produce things like that. Number 1, we are trained to believe what we see. We just do it because we've never been challenged. In this AI age, we are now challenged. We need to know what to filter out and what not to filter out. And what eventually will happen is you will virtually not be able to filter it out. I'm talking about from an advertising point of view and trying to get your brand out there. This is now really difficult. It is going to be very difficult to outcompete anybody when every single person with a PC, this is Google. This is not some back shed guy that's whacked together a couple of H200 chips and download the latest version of Llama and producing whatever, right? Or gone and got Grok and mucked around with it to produce stuff. This is Google, right? So we are now moving into a changing world. I will leave it there. I'm going to, in this video, just show a couple of videos of me that I've just filmed being productive. So you can see how far we're coming now and what's possible to be done. So thanks very much, and I'll be back, as they say. I'll be back. Sunday morning, got lots of research to do, having a coffee, watching the AI do everything for me. Very, very cool. The job of the clicker is born. Okay, so here's an example of why AI is going to start replacing people. This basic task, I needed 700 websites checked to make sure they're correct, and all I gave the entry was business names and a Shire location. It's going automatically and creating the list, and what it's doing is it is then emailing the list. So I don't need a scraper. It can be done through the browser, which is a really good way to do it because it looks like a human is visiting. So this is the future. Okay, I have set the Comet browser the task of going to individual websites on a particular site and gathering the business names and websites. It's doing this as a research project. If you asked it to go and scrape information, it won't. But if you actually word it that it's a research project, you get far better results. And it will go through and create a list. You can see I'm not touching any of the screen. This is a huge time-saving effort. So a little bit of a crude example, but basically what you do, once you've got the LLM to process your raw data, you still need to run it through another checker. So you can see here a lot of the information that the LLM brought back was incorrect. So that list of domain names, it's now running through an application that I built that will go and check to see if they're actually alive or if they're a 404 error. Now that doesn't mean that they're all not good and valid links. It just basically means that I can put the ones that aren't definitely website links to the back of the marketing program, do the ones that have been processed first, and then we can work out the rest from there. But this is again another step with automation. So we're using AI to be able to create and go and do the searching for us through the browser.
through the new agentic framework. But then we're also using a more traditional method, which is not AI, to actually double check the work of the AI. So again, it's interaction between humans and the machines, which is the future, really. Anyway, I'll put this snippet in one of my videos. Just thought I'd show you to see how it works in action. Here's another tool that I've just spun up, and what it's doing is it's actually crawling a current website and making the connection between the article, the image, and the information that I can use into the vector database for retrieval for the AI assistant. So again, all these little tools along the way make it a lot easier to present the data for the AI to get quick retrieval.
Yeah, okay, so you can see from those videos, I'm just taking it easy. I'm having a cup of coffee on a Sunday morning and I'm still working. I can go to bed at night, the AI is working for me all night. The job of the clicker, as I said, is becoming more and more important. The office of the future will be screens with people that aren't the masters, they're the apprentices, but they will have enough skill to be able to get through the process. The AI does all the heavy lifting, right? We are in a brand new age. We need to rethink what goes on. Your business needs to work out how AI is going to impact. Right now, things are changing so fast. I'm more than happy to talk to anyone about it. Contact me up there, down there, or whichever way you want to do it. Basically, I've got a website, owntheconversation.com. You can book in for a call if you want to. I'm happy to chat to you. I'm getting very busy because everyone is finally starting to realize what I've been talking about for a long time. And again, I'm nothing special. I just notice what's going on. I've been around a while. I've been around since 1984 when I was a young fella. But anyway, all right, all good. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. And yeah, stay safe. Cool.
The time has come to own the conversation in this